Good morning, student. Today we shall be discussing on computer operating system, word processing and printing of document for second year DLED. In order to know the operating system, we should know what is an operating system at first. An operating system is a program that acts as an intermediary between an user of a computer and a computer hardware. The computer operating system have certain objectives. The main objectives of the computer operating system are to execute user program and make solving user problem easier. Secondly, to make computer system convenient to use and use the computer hardware in an efficient manner. Understanding the operating system, the operating system is being divided into four basic components. The four basic components of the operating system are hardware, operating system, application, program and user. Based on the function of the operating system, let me give you a brief description of the various functions of the operating system. Hardware. The hardware operating system provides basic computing resources like CPU, memory, I/O devices, etc. Secondly, the operating system controls and coordinates use of hardware among various applications and users. The third function of the computer system is the application program, which may be defined as the ways in which the system resources are used to solve the computing problems of the user, like word processor, compiler, web browser, database system and video games, etc. Fourth, the user. The user are you and me. Those are the people, the machine and other computers. Then the second part of the discussion comes the word processor. It is very important to know the definition of a word processor. A word processor is a software program designed to make the computer a useful electronic writing tools that can edit, store and print documents. The word processor have various functions, and now I would like to give a detailed information regarding the various function of the word processor. That is, first of all, the function of the word processor is to create a document. Word processor create document in a digital format. Instead of typing onto a page, the information is stored in a computer memory. Once the text has been entered, formatting changes can be applied universally using a few simple steps, giving the user maximum flexibility. The second function of the word processor is editing. Similarly to document creation, word processors speed up the editing process and give greater editing options. Changes are made on the computer, and when finished, the output is a clear page. Changes to document can be tracked, so multiple users can make up a document, and those changes can be evaluated easily later before the document is complete. After the editing process, the third function of the word processor comes the sharing. Once the document is created and the document is edited, then comes the sharing. Since the word processor stored the document electronically, it can be output in the variety of formats. In addition to simply printing finished document, the electronic version can be shared by email or other electronic transfer mechanisms. The same can be transferred or made into a PDF format, which allow nearly anyone to open it and can prevent recipient from altering the finished documents. After all the editing process, another function is comparing it. All the edited, formatted can be compared. For instance, in case where several users may be working on nearly identical document, comparison features allow the difference of document that can be easily viewed. This makes complex editing procedure much more streamlined. The fifth function of the word processor is the web pages. In addition to conventional output options, word processor can take your document and turn it into a web page. In essence, the software in the word processor writes the HTML code necessary to translate your text and forming into a file that can be uploaded and viewed as conventional web page. As part of the discussion, the printing of document is also one of the process to be discussed. In order to, after all the documents are being compiled, our duty is to print. In order to print the documents, just open a file in a window application, choose a file and print. And the same file can be converted into PDF. In order to convert into PDF, choose Adobe PDF as the printer in the print dialog box. And to customize the Adobe PDF printer setting, click the Properties button and click Print, type the name of your file and click Save. In this way, we can print out a document that has been created in word processing formats. As I have discussed you regarding the computer operating system, word processing and printing document, for the upcoming examinations, for the upcoming learning process of the use in teaching and learning process, this can be made use in the upcoming learning and teaching process of the students. Thank you and have a good day.